So let's get into the good stuff. Hi beauties, hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk about my favorite sweetener, raw organic honey. In this video, I'm going to share 10 amazing and unexpected uses for this heavenly syrup. What are you doing? Nothing. Besides eating it directly out of the jar. So in case you're new, my name's Cassandra and I make videos focused on natural lifestyle and renegade beauty, hence the name of this channel. My goal is to inspire others to ditch the chemicals and help with tips on how to live a healthier, more natural lifestyle so you can feel good on the inside and out. If that interests you, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn on the notification bell. I would love for you to stick around. Also, you can check me out on Instagram at rngdbeauty. So let's get into the good stuff. Number 1, honey can speed up the healing of cuts, scrapes, and bruises. Organic raw honey is amazing for all types of wound healing. This is because it promotes oxygen release, minimizes swelling, and stimulates lymph flow in damaged tissues. Sounds weird, but this seriously works. I use honey on blisters and burns all the time with amazing results. Number 2, a sugar and sweetener replacement. Honey is by far the healthiest sugar to consume because it's packed with antioxidants. I know it sounds crazy, but it can actually speed up your metabolism, which is critical for weight loss. Honey also has a lower glycemic index than sugar, making it a great option for people with diabetes. Low glycemic index is ideal for everybody because it is great to avoid sugar crashes. It's really good for mood stability and focus. Anywhere you find yourself in need of a sweetener, choose raw organic honey. I love adding honey to teas. It's something that I do almost daily. Number 3, honey can be amazing to get rid of acne and blemishes. Raw honey can hugely cut down on the time that it takes for acne to disappear because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties. I've often noticed acne going down overnight. It's one of my favorite acne treatments. Another thing you can do to enhance the effects of honey is add a dash of cinnamon. Number 4, can help with sleep and insomnia. Of course, I can't say 100%, but I've used honey in some warm water or tea when I'm having a hard time getting to sleep, and I've noticed undeniable success with it. The reason for this is because it can help produce melatonin, which is the sleeping hormone. Simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey to warm water or tea a few hours before bedtime. Number 5, honey is great for chapped lips. Isn't it the worst when your lips are all dry and flaky in the winter? Honey has the power to moisturize and heal, making it perfect for dry lips. Use your finger to apply honey periodically throughout the day as you would lip balm. The best part is, of course, licking it off when you're done. Number 6, face masks. Honey can be used as a face mask alone, or it can be a great base when combined with other ingredients, such as turmeric, chlorella, aloe vera, activated charcoal. There are so many things that you can use. Honey also doubles as a cleanser, so you don't have to wash your face before applying this type of mask. It's also an amazing gentle exfoliator. Talk about hitting a few birds with one stone. As I mentioned earlier, honey works wonders for acne, so if you're having multiple breakouts, using a honey mask is a great option. Honey fights free radical damage and pollution with its antioxidant properties and is really great for giving hydration to the skin, which will smooth and soften your complexion. It's also amazing for anti-aging. Here are some of my favorite honey face masks. Number 7, home remedies. Honey is a staple everyone should have in their medicine cabinet. Figuratively, not literally. You don't need to store it in your medicine cabinet, of course. Honey's bacterial fighting properties prevent infections caused by bacteria and viruses. Here I have listed a few home remedies that I like to use. Ginger, lemon, and honey for sore throat, honey and warm water for cough, ginger and honey for sore stomach, and cloves and honey for toothaches. I also have an immune elixir listed here that I like to use when I want to boost my immunity. It contains apple cider vinegar, lemon, ground cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and raw honey. The immune elixir can also be used as a detox drink. I like to split this in 3 portions and drink it every morning in full concentration. You can also consume this warm as a tea. And also, if you prefer it to be more diluted, feel free to add more water. Number 8, hair masks and scalp treatments. Honey moisturizes dry hair and scalp. It also reduces hair breakage, restores shine, improves condition of natural hair, reduces frizz, and softens hair. So here I have a list of different honey hair masks that I like to use. My most used way of including honey in a hair mask is by combining it with one of my favorite oils, such as coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil. But there's other oils you can use as well. I have a video of a coconut oil, honey, and banana hair mask if you want to check that out. Number 9, honey can be used as an exfoliating skin softener. Simply mix honey with either brown sugar, oatmeal, sea salt, or ground almonds to make an amazing exfoliating scrub that will leave your skin smooth and soft. Honey can also clear up dry elbows. Rub honey on the area and leave on for 30 minutes. You can thank me later. Honey also works amazing for skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. Throw away those harsh steroid creams and reap the benefits of organic raw honey. Studies show a reduction in redness, scaling, and itching. And lastly, number 10, honey can be used as a preservative. Archaeologists excavating ancient Egyptian tombs have found pots of honey thousands of years old still preserved. People today like to use these properties to preserve fruit. All it takes is 1 part honey and 10 parts water, and then submerging the fruit in a tightly sealed jar. Who knows how many preserves can benefit from being stored in honey? Of course, I think it only works for sweet things unless you want a little bit of a sweet flavor added to your savory food. So that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm sure there's so many other uses for raw honey out there, so if you know any of them, leave it in the comments down below. I would love to hear them, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.